Today, I have a quick tip that can instantly make your characters look more dynamic. 3 simple steps, check this out. The first step will determine your character's dynamism right away. Just one loose, curvy line. Nothing complicated. It's simply the flow of the body. We call it the line of action or flow line, and its job is right there in the name, to give the character flow, direction, and movement. For the second step, I usually draw a very simplified stick figure, or what I like to call a bean-shaped figure. I like using a bean or raindrop shape because I can bend and squash it to follow the line of action as closely as possible while still giving it some depth and a bit of a 3D feel. At this stage, I'm not drawing a detailed character yet. The limbs can stay simple sticks with circles or marks to indicate the joints. The details come in the last step. Once we are happy with our simplified pose, we can start fleshing out the character and adding the details. The key is to stay close to both the line of action and your simplified pose structure. Don't straighten things back out. Trust the curves you already drew. Give it a try, then let me know in the comments how it went. Or share your attempts in the group where you can get feedback, help when you're stuck, and more tips to improve your characters. See you there.